Yeah, Quincy traffic, Bonanza 934 Tango, taking out 32 will be a southbound departure, Quincy. Tallahassee approach, good morning, Bonanza 934 Tango off Quincy through 1.2. We are IFR to Daytona Beach, looking to pick up clearance.
934 Tango, Tallahassee approach, 4271 and ident.
4271 ident, 34 Tango.
34 Tango, ident observed, radar contact 2 miles southeast of Quincy, stay altitude leaving, Tallahassee altimeter 3020.
We are leaving 1.734 Tango.
34 Tango, clear the Daytona Beach Airport via direct, climb maintain 5,000.
To Daytona Beach Airport via direct, we'll climb maintain 5,000, 34 Tango. Good morning, Tallahassee, FedEx 1481, this is KDAB 14.5 for 11. We'd like to go into 27 if we could.
FedEx 1481, you expect a visual approach, runway 27, descend and maintain 6,000.
Continuing down to 6,000, FedEx 1481.
34 Tango, contact Jacksonville, center 127.8, have a good one.
187.8, you as well, 34 Tango. Jack Center, good morning, Bonanza 934 Tango, level 5,000.
34 Tango, Jack Center, roger, Tallahassee, September 3020.
3020, thank you.
Double 3901, contact Jack Center 133.3. 34 Tango, contact Jack approach 118.17.
1817, we'll see you 34 Tango. Jack's approach, good morning, Bonanza 934 Tango, level 5,000.
Patrick, good morning. You can have 287 1,200 for 4,000, making a right turn on course.
November 934 Tango, Jack's approach, good morning, altimeter 3011 again, so.
3011, thank you.
November 76 Tango, Jack's departure ident, maintain 3,000. November 934 Tango, just going to maintain 4,000.
Down to 4,000, 34 Tango.
November 934 Tango, contact Daytona approach 118.35.
1885, 34 Tango. Daytona approach, good morning, Bonanza 934 Tango, level 5,000 with hotel.
Bonanza 934 Tango, Daytona approach, roger, expect vectors for the ILS runway 25 right approach.
We'll expect it, thank you, 34 Tango.
934 Tango, maintain 100 knots, 100 knots.
Maintain 100 knots, 34 Tango.
934 Tango, turn right, heading 150, descend and maintain 1,600.
Right 150 down to 1.6, 34 Tango.
934 Tango, turn right, heading 230, join the localizer, you can resume normal speed.
Right 230, join the localizer, normal speed, 34 Tango.
As a 7911 Alpha, descend and maintain 2,000.
Descend to maintain 2,000, 7911 Alpha.
7934 Tango, fall off from back, maintain 1,600 until established on localizer, cleared ILS runway 25 right approach.
Maintain 1.6 till established, cleared ILS runway 25 right approach, 34 Tango.
734 Tango, contact tower.
Contact tower, 34 Tango. Daytona Tower, good morning, Bonanza 934 Tango on the ILS runway 25 right approach.
Bonanza 934 Tango, Daytona Tower, runway 25 right, clear to land, 270 at 14.
25 right, clear to land, 34 Tango.